Hey guys, Desi Jade, and you already know it. I'm back with another video. I'm just going to apologize in advance for my voice because I'm still kind of sick, but let's just get into the video. So I'm starting off with obviously cutting off that little string that's wrapped around each bundle. Isn't that just like so satisfying to watch? I don't know. I was editing this and I was like, ooh, I'm weird, but whatever. So I just noticed that this one bundle didn't have a rubber band on it. That was okay. I just went and put one on myself just so that the bundle's like all together and it's much easier to wash that way. So yeah. And I just ran the brush through each bundle, not like it was tangled or anything because it really wasn't, just to get all the hairs going in the right direction. And once again, I have no idea why that's just so like satisfying to watch to me. I don't know. Alright, so this is just what I do. I just fill the sink up with like lukewarm water. Not super hot, but warm enough. And we're just gonna let this fill up. Like that. Oh my god, don't look at my ashy elbows. That's embarrassing. Alright, so what I do is when I get new bundles, I just soak them in the warm water. Just the bundles and just the water. And for these, I actually let them soak for about 25 to 30 minutes. So they're about done being soaked, and the reason why I soak them, as you can see, the water is like a little bit foggy now, but I just soaked them because they're 100% virgin hair, and I don't know where it was before they were in a bundle. Like, you just don't know, so I just soak it before I start to co-wash it. And of course, I'm just gonna rinse off the sink just so what I soaked off doesn't get back on the hair. And this is one of my favorite conditioners. It's the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration, the big blue bottle. And now this is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just going to work the conditioner into each bundle, and this is my co-wash. So like I did before, I'm just going to run the brush through each bundle just to get all the hair strands going in the same direction. And as you might notice, the hair is kind of like a little bit wavy, which I'm not mad at it because it is 100% virgin hair and not everybody's hair is bone straight, so it's kind of normal, but yeah. Now it's time to rinse, and I'm rinsing the hair with cool water because cool water closes hair cuticles or follicles, whatever it's called, and it kind of locks in all the good stuff that we want from the conditioner. So I'm just going to brush through it again just to make sure all the product is out because I don't want any product buildup with this co-wash. So I'm just going to show you guys the bundles, that they're a pretty nice size because I didn't show you guys in my initial review. So that's pretty much it. All I did next was brush them out and blot them with that red t-shirt. This is how I co-wash my bundles. I really hope you guys enjoyed. After, I just hung them up on the little clothes hangers so that they could dry. And that's all. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.